What's up? There's the rally car right there. So today is another one of those days. We're gonna probably mess around with that car again. And Steve's on his way over. We're gonna start building us up a track. But first, I wanna see if I can get Misty B running here. All right. Oh, give me a second, I'll just put this in. So while the RX-7's warming up in the background, because I gotta move that out of the garage, let's see if the truck starts. Fingers crossed. Got juice. Oh yeah. Cool. One time I started it up like that, and it had been sitting for a long time in front of the house. The alternator was seized, so the belt started smoking instantly. I'm pretty grateful that that didn't happen. Now I'll let that warm up a bit, let the fluid circulate. It's been sitting for a little while. The RX-7's about ready to move, and I think today we might be bringing in this little wannabe rally car to do a little bit of work to it, or we're working in the back. I don't know yet. That's out of the way. Let's go get Misty. That's actually the name of the truck. If you guys didn't know, on these GM trucks these years, the Sierras and this thing, if you pull the dash out right above the gauge cluster, that plastic piece, it actually says a name from the manufacturer. They name the truck. It's kind of cool. Check out yours, see what it is. Mine's Misty B. We're still running smooth. You gotta remember, I'm not rocking any wheel wells right now, so try not to get her too dirty and messed up, get all the computer screwed up and stuff. You can tell, look at this time capsule from yuck. Anyway, brake thingy's still on. I guess I should have shut the... Okay. And here we go. That's the ABS thing going off because my ABS module is fried. I have brakes, but not really. Like, I have brakes, but not enough for a case of emergency. So let's back this thing up close to the garage. Throw some stuff probably in the back. Get rid of some wheels and stuff like that. I don't need around the shop, but I'm gonna shut it off and I want to see if it starts again. All right, Steve's here. Let's go. So we're gonna take the truck. I'm gonna show Steve the little spot I kind of cleaned out and go from there. What? Oh, you blew that. I thought it was the door. We went for a little ride. We got some materials to make some sort of a track grubber. We're gonna clean that place up. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so here's my idea, right? We take that piece, that big long one, whatever the longest big angle iron piece is, make that the centerpiece, put these end to end, like super wide, like we just said before, hook them up together with that as a structure point, and then take this shit and like cut it so we have like this 90-degree angle. We can get like 4 or 5 of them and then put them on that thing so the teeth stick down, and it just, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And it just, you know what I'm saying? So weld it all together, and then these things, I don't know, I guess we could weld that too. So, but you got any ideas?
That's good.
Okay.
Let's do that.
All right. I was facing the wrong way the whole fucking time. So, I'm thinking this is the front, that's the back of it. Yeah. You're driving this way?
Yeah.
That just got a hole in it, put a hook.
Yeah, that's where it's going to be eating the most shit there.
Yeah, that, so we'll pull that. Get these. Get not really room, but
yeah.
As far out as possible. No. I could tie in this one. I'm thinking put it like that, maybe with a bit of a scraper style on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Secure it. And then these, like, cut it like here and here, so it's got these teeth sticking down, and then put those, like, weld them up across the top or something, so it's got fingers that are ripping all the shit out.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
You guys get that? You get the idea? You know what we're doing here? Neither do we. you build it, they will come. It's playtime. Got a couple beers for the road. We're not going on the road. We got the rack all set up, everything. It's in the truck, ready to go. The truck actually runs. Steve's jumping in the little rally car right now, and we're going for it. We're taking this here rig to the back and see if we can't straighten out that track a little bit. Do it again.
We get in the box. Getting dusty behind that. All right. Back here, huh?
It's getting dusty out here. We're gonna need a water truck real soon. But now he's gonna run it in reverse. For some reason, we never thought to run it in reverse before, but let's see what it does. This corner. Dirt's on my truck. I heard that. Oopsies. Maybe we broke the car. Smells pretty cooked.
Yeah. It's operating temperature.
Oh yeah. So just what? Lost power?
No. Coming out of the turns, it went.
You got fuel?
Yeah.
Oh.
Heard a lot of ka-clunk in there. Want to take her for a rip there?
No, I'm good.
Still purring like a kitty.
I didn't know. I thought you were just closing the windows, and I was like, it's gonna be hot, but
Yeah.
you know.
Your dash is gonna be cold.
For sure.
Can't wait till you turn
What
that
do you
AC on. Oh.
That's messed up. Yikes. It's a lot of dust. Whew. Oh no. Disgusting. Hashtag work truck. Well, they've done good. Now, for some weird reason, the radio works. Did you just break it? It's like crap box, car, alley. Yo, so we had fun. We're dirty, we're crusty, and it's the end of the week, so we're out. Peace.
By the trendy on all high, by the cam and the youth drunk, listen me.